She was not the way she is now. Very indignant, very angry. Almost every day she would stomp into my office, complaining very agitatedly against something, some rules of the school. And over the years now, you see the change in her. And this is what has become of her. The message that I would like you all to take back is that these years, up to grade 5, these are the most sensitive years of a human being's growth. ਸਾਡੇ ਮੰਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੀ 10ਵੀਂ 11ਵੀਂ 12ਵੀਂ ਕਲਾਸ ਹੈ, ਬਾਕੀ ਸਕੂਲ ਤੇ ਚੱਲ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ. If we change that mindset and decide that these are the most precious ones, whatever has to become of them as human beings gets shaped at this age. ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਉਮਰ 'ਚ ਵਾਇਲੈਂਸ ਦਿਖਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ, verbal or even by actions or God forbids a physical violence, we make them into violent grown-up children. इतना ज़रूरी है कि तुहाडे kindergarten block da jo environment hai, it should be very, very invitive for the child. Shouting should be completely banned from this part of the school. जिस तरह ये क्लास चल रही है ना, इस तरह चलनी चाहिए थी क्लास. It will not matter if at the end of the nursery class they don't know how to write A. It will not matter at all. But if you have shouted on the child and made her teach A, the damage you have done, you have taught the child to get your issues resolved by shouting. ਅਸੀਂ ਬੱਚੇ ਦਿਮਾਗ 'ਚ ਇਹ ਪਾਤਾ ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਾਉਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਉੱਚੀ ਬੋਲਣਾ ਪਏਗਾ. He will do that for the rest of his life. We have been fortunate to meet a film director, Leslie Edwin. She had come here to study the psyche of those people, violent people who had molested Nirbhaya, that Nirbhaya case in 2014. She said that why I came here, not that these things happen in India, they happen all over the world, but the reaction that people here, they came on the streets. This reaction motivated her to come here and do something about this issue. So she made a film, India's Daughter. It's available on the YouTube. Please see that film. And then she went to interview all these people who had molested that girl. And he realized that they also had a very violent upbringing in their homes when they were young. Then she took upon herself to create teaching material for the very young children. 3, 4, 5, 6 कि इन बच्चों को उसे संभालना है. Now the greatest challenge is कि साडा माइंडसेट इतना ज़्यादा बनया होया है कि क्लास तो शोर नहीं निकलना चाहिए बाहर. If my kindergarten students are shouting, I shout at the teacher कि तेरा क्लास कंट्रोल ठीक नहीं हैगा. सानू पहले अपने मना विच क्लैरिटी लियानी चाहिए कि वी विल नॉट बी verbally violent with our teachers, only then we can demand them to be kind and soft spoken to the children. We all need to introspect. ये रोज़ मेरे ऑफिस बैठ जाती सी 1 बजे, and she would sit there for 1 hour complaining, and I would just keep on listening to her. Look at the change that has come in her. So ਇਹ ਬੇਟਾ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਾਡਿਆਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਇਹ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਫਿਲਮ ਦਾ, ਇਸ ਲੈਸਨ ਦਾ. If we get enriched and go back and ensure that problem ਬੇਟਾ ਇਹ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ at the cost of teaching them ABC, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਕੰਮ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਸਿਖਾਇਆ ਨਹੀਂ. The only thing required, the only qualification required of your kindergarten teacher is that she has to be affectionate, loving, humble, and emotionally involved with her children. ਇਹ ਗੁਣ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ. ਕਿਤਨੀ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਆਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਂਦੀ ਫਰਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੈ ਰਿਹਾ for nursery teacher.